Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. We are going ahead with our lesson subtraction. Now what do you see? What is this? This is a balance. When you go to shops with your parents to buy vegetables, you must have seen this kind of things the shopkeepers use. So this is a balance. Balance means both the sides should be equal. Okay, you can see both the sides should be equal. Okay, so you see that I have put here some signs here. I have put plus sign here, multiplication sign here, and minus sign here, and division sign here. Okay, so it means that, and this is equal. Now you see that this is equal, no? This is equal, both the sides are equal. It means that when the numbers with the plus sign, when they go to the other side of equal to, they become minus. And when the numbers of division, when they go other side of equal to, they become multiplication. They become multiply. You need to multiply them. Okay? Or when subtraction, when the number with the minus, when they go the other side, they become plus. Okay? Now since we are learning only this subtraction, we are going to deal with only these two signs. So when the number with plus sign, when it goes to the other side of equal to, that number becomes minus. And when the number with the minus sign, when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus. Let us see how. This is one addition which we have seen in the beginning. 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. Now you see that this 25 is the same 25 I have copied. This 25 is the same 25 I have copied from here. This equal to is same equal to here. 50 is same 50 here. Only this plus 25 I am putting it other side of equal to. So this has become minus. Okay. This plus 25, only this plus 25 I have taken to the other side. After putting this plus 25 to this side, this has become minus. And you can see that 50 minus 25, if you subtract, you can subtract with me. You subtract, this will become 25. It means this is correct. This process is correct. Now this, in simple sum, I am going to show you. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay. You know that 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Now this 5 I have copied from here. This equal to I have copied from here. This 8 I have copied from here. Only this plus 3 I have taken to this side of equal to. So this was plus, as I have shown you, plus. When it goes to the other side of equal to, this becomes minus. So this plus, this I have taken to the other side of equal to, so this has become minus. So you can subtract with me in your fingers. 8 minus 3 is 5. You know that. Now when this 3 if I copy this 3 is equal to same 8 same. If I take this 5 to this side, this becomes 8 minus 5. So when I subtract 8 minus 5, you subtract with me, you will get 3. Okay, so this is the way we are going to solve some questions of your exercise. Now I am going to deal with exercise 3B. There are a few questions which you may find difficult. Okay, there is a question of exercise 3A. Okay, exercise 3A. This says, fill in the blanks, 378 minus dash is equal to 200. So these kind of questions you may feel a little difficult. This true and false I think you may be able to solve. This you will find a little difficult. So I am just showing you a little way. Okay. So 378 minus dash is equal to 200. Okay. So this is the same way. Now this empty space, this I am going to put it this side. Okay, this plain empty space I am going to put it this side. Okay, so you see this implies that this sign means this whole is equal to this whole. Okay, so this sign, this implies sign shows that this whole is equal to this whole. Okay, so 378 I have copied here. This equal to I have copied here. 200 I have copied here. Only this empty space, this blank space I have put this side. Okay, because we don't know what is it and how we will solve, we don't know. So this was in minus sign. So this side it becomes plus. And 200 is in plus here. So 200 I have put this side. So 200 becomes minus now. 378 I have copied. Equal to I have copied. This I have copied. So 200 I want, this is in plus now. 200 I want to put this side. Then only we will be able to find what is this, what is this. So 378 minus 200. Okay. So this we can subtract here. After putting it in proper column, 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7. 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is 178. So let us write here 178. So it means we have to write here 178. Let us see whether this is correct or wrong. See, 8 minus 8 becomes 0. 7 minus 7 becomes 0 again. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. It means our answer is correct. Okay. Now B is similar. B is a similar question here. 497 minus dash is equal to 150. This I think you will be able to solve the same process. Now this C, 200 plus 278 is equal to dash minus 300. Let us go through this one. C, 200 plus 278 is equal to dash minus 300. Now I am going to add. Now let us see here. Now this 300 is this side. So if we put this 300 this side, this empty space will be alone, and then we'll be able to find this. Okay. So 300 is in minus sign here. There's a minus sign in front of 300. Okay. Can you see? There's a minus sign here. So this 300 I'll put it this side. So if I put this side, this becomes a plus. Okay. You see that I have copied the same 200, 278 I have copied. This 300 I am putting it this side. This has become plus. Equal to is same and empty space is same. Now let us add here. Okay. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 778. Okay. So this means 778 is the empty space. It means we have tried here 778. Okay. It means our answer will be 778. Let us see whether this is correct or wrong. Okay, this will be how much? If we add these two, let us add roughly here. 8 plus 0 is 8. Let us add roughly here. Okay, 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 0 is 7 and 2 plus 2 is 4. This is a rough here. Okay, and let us subtract here. 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 0 is 7 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Now can you see both the sides are same? 478. Okay. Now the question number D. 745 minus dash is equal to 300 plus 345. This is the same way we are going to solve here. 745 minus dash is equal to 300 plus 345. Now I have added here. This is very simple since the zeros are here. This is very simple. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. Now this empty space, plain empty space is here. Now this 745 we have just copied. We have to be careful in copying. Please be careful in copying. Okay. Now 745 I have copied here. Equal to I have copied here. 645 is here. Now this I am going to put it this side. This was minus. So this becomes plus when we put it this side. Okay, because this is plain empty. We don't know what is this. So we have to separate it this. So after separating this was minus and this becomes a plus now. Okay. Now this 645 is in plus now. We can put this, bring this side so that we may be able to find what is the answer here. Now 745 minus 645, you can find it. How much is that? How much should be the answer? 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is again 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. It means this will be 100. Okay. This is the way you are going to solve it. Okay. We are just subtracting. You can see that we have subtracted. Okay. You can see that we have subtracted. Now question number 4 says, find the difference between the place values of 2 in 320 and 132. If you are very careful in reading and solving, you will definitely be able to solve. Now, I have shown it here. The place value of 2 in 320 is 20. See, 2 is in tens place, so 20. Place value of 2 in 132 is 2. This is ones place, so this is 2. So difference means, I have told when the term difference comes, it means you have to subtract. So 20 minus 2 is 18. This is the way you're going to solve it. Now another question is number 5. Find the difference between the place value and face value of 6 in 5650. So this is 6 here. Now the place value of 6 in 5650 is 660. You can see this is in hundreds place. So 600. The face value of 6 anywhere will be 6 only. Okay, so this is 6. So difference between the place, it means we have to subtract. Okay, after putting it in proper column, you see as we need to carry from here. So this becomes 10. 10 minus 6 will be 4. This has become 9. This has become 9. Okay, after carrying here, this has become 5. So 9 minus 0 is 9, and this will be 5. Okay, this will be 5. So 10 minus 6 is 4. This has become 9. 9 minus 0 is 9, and 5 minus 0 is 5. So it means our answer is 594. This is our answer. So this will be your homework for today. Your homework for today is exercise 3A, 3B, exercise 3C question number 1, and exercise 3D question number 1 again. No need to do other questions, only question number 1. Exercise 3C question 1, exercise 3D question number 1. Shall we recapitulate? Shall we see this again? I had told you how this balance works. When the number with the plus sign will go to other side of the equal to, this becomes minus, and the number with the minus sign, when this goes to the other side, this becomes plus. So once you are practicing it, you will be able to solve. I have told you here 5 plus 3 becomes 8, and 5 when it goes to other side, this becomes minus. So answer is definitely 3. And when 3 becomes other side, 8 minus 3 is 5. This is definitely the answer. Okay, so this is the way you're going to solve. Please continue doing your homework. This is your homework 3A, 3B, 3C question number 1, and exercise. So students, if you have already done the exercise 3A and exercise 3B question number 1, please don't do that again. You have to do the remaining exercise of the exercise 3B, and the rest 3C and 3D also, as it is given here. Okay, thank you.